Today we're going to be removing this bill validator on this USI 3155B vending machine. You can see what the front of it looks like, but we've been having problems with the bill validator. So we're going to take it off, have them rebuild it, and hopefully get it up and running again. Now to remove this, one of the first things you want to do is remove the bill collector. It's just push in this tab and then lift it up and just go ahead and remove that. That'll give you an easy access to the nuts. You'll also want to remove these tabs. Basically all you do is you lift up on this. You lift up on this right here, and then you're just going to pull it off. So you lift up and then pull it off. Unhook it. And there are two of them. There's one off to the side, and then there's one down below. So again, you just lift up on this tab right here, lift up on that tab, and then pull it off. And really pretty simple. Then you can get the wires out of the way when you remove these 4 nuts. There are 4 nuts that you need to remove, and it's kind of hidden back there, but it's the one right there. You're going to remove that one. There are 2 on the bottom, these 2 right here. These 2 you'll remove. And then there's one more on the side. You can see that one right there. So those are the 4 that you need to remove to take out the bill validator. What you want to use is a 9mm socket to remove the nuts. So we'll go ahead and do that. Here's the first one that we're going to remove. Be really careful. You don't want to drop the nuts down into the vending machine. Still have a little bit to go on this one. Okay, so there we have one removed. And you'll notice that it falls down into the socket, which is good, so it doesn't fall into the vending machine. But you got to be really careful. You don't want to lose any of the nuts. Then we'll just go ahead. I'm not going to show you on the rest of them. You can figure that out. There are the 2 there. Then again, there's one up on the side. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right down in there. It's kind of got the gold area. But remove those 4. And once you've removed the 4 bolts, you can see I've removed them. And again, this one's really hard to see, but there is one over on that side that I've removed. There you go. There you can see it. But once you do that, you then just grab the device and slide it out. And here you have it, the bill validator. And we'll just take this in, get it repaired. And you'll just go through the opposite process to install it. Again, we hope that you subscribe to Big Al Repair so we can keep videotaping. Thanks so much and have a great day.